One of the rules are, there's like the 5 rules that I'm going to come back to that we're going to really go through with Ralph. I don't want to belabor it and go all that ahead of time, but we'll do a little bit as we go through the boot camp. One of them is this commingling funds. To pool money, which is one of the 5, you have to ask for permission. Now you can pool money. In fact, I teach 5 ways to pool money. All right, you guys, $1,100 home study system that somebody's going to win here is all about doing pooling of money. But there is ways that you can and ways that you should not handle the money. And let's talk about that when it comes to this commingling that you're talking about. Let's say, for an example, one of you calls somebody up tonight. In fact, you guys are going to call tonight, right? Yes? Regardless of what state you're in, right, or country. Right, Mr. Canada? Right? All right, you're going to call tonight and make me proud tomorrow, yes or yes? Yes. All right. So, when you get somebody and you up the ante and do all the techniques that I teach you, what's going to happen to you when you get out there and you got a property? Let's say you got a $500,000 property and somebody is going to loan you $300,000. Well, you still need a couple $100,000, right, for the deal. So what I do is, since you can pool money, but you have to ask for permission. But another way to handle that is each person gets their own mortgage and promissory note, and you stack up mortgages. Now the question of it is, how many mortgages can you have on a property? It's unlimited, right? It's unlimited. So you can have as many on there as your heart desires or as your lenders will put up with. And now the person that's in 87th position, they aren't in very good shape, okay? But you can stack up your mortgages, but you do not want to over leverage the property. All right, now what is over leveraging the property? It's kind of whatever you say. All right, I tell them no more than 70% loan to value when I'm doing a cash deal. Now when we get into subject twos and stuff, I won't muddy the water right now with that, but you guys will ask me sooner or later and I'll tell you what I do there. But on just a pure all cash deal, it's no more than 70% loan to value. I did a study a while back. I was actually in there at 63% loan to value on that. But if I need more money than one investor has on the property, I just bring in another investor and give them their promissory note and their own mortgage. One will be in a first position. Bigger chunk of money gets a first position. Smaller chunk of money gets a second position. Okay? So on the commingling part, you don't put 2 people on the same promissory note. That is considered commingling, considered pooling. No. Okay. Now, husband and wife, they can be on the same one. But if it was you and I and we're doing a deal and you had a bigger chunk of money, you got the $300,000, I got the $200,000, then you get first position, I get second position. You get your own mortgage promissory note, I get my own mortgage promissory note. We are totally separate on the deal.